Ever wish you had a secret weapon to cut through market noise and pinpoint the real trend? Let's unlock the power of VWAP, or Volume Weighted Average Price, on TradingView first. Click on the Indicators button at the top of your TradingView screen. It looks like a stylized FX. In the search bar, type VWAP. You'll see several options. Choose the built-in VWAP indicator by TradingView. Boom! The VWAP line appears on your chart now. Let's understand what it's telling us. VWAP calculates the average price of an asset, weighted by its volume. This gives more importance to prices where a lot of trading occurred. Think of VWAP as a dynamic support and resistance level. If the price is above the VWAP, it suggests an upward trend. Traders often use this as a buy signal. Conversely, if the price is below the VWAP, it suggests a downward trend, potentially signaling a sell opportunity. Notice how price often bounces off or rejects from the VWAP line. You can customize the VWAP's appearance by clicking the settings icon next to the indicator name. Here you can adjust the color, thickness, and style of the line to match your preferences. VWAP is most effective when used in conjunction with other technical analysis tools and indicators. It's especially useful for intraday trading to gauge the market's general direction and identify potential entry and exit points. So add VWAP to your TradingView arsenal and start trading smarter, not harder.